Experiencing issues logging in or activating your Consumer Cellular account? Don't worry. Here's a breakdown of common problems and solutions. First, understand that issues often stem from authentication or device compatibility. Key login failures typically involve session timeouts, weak network signals, software conflicts like outdated operating systems, or account errors such as expired plans or billing issues. Activation requires a valid SIM card, IMEI verification, and proper account setup. Common causes include authentication problems, device compatibility issues, network connectivity, software conflicts, and account-related errors. Start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your device, verify your credentials are correct, ensure a strong internet connection, and clear cache in the app or browser. Avoid using VPNs. Make sure your device runs Android 9 Plus or iOS 13 Plus. If basic steps fail, try reinstalling the Consumer Cellular app. For persistent SIM not recognized errors, clear the app cache and restart your phone. If problems persist, use the web portal's Forgot Password feature for account reactivation. If all else fails, contact Consumer Cellular support via chat for assistance, with response times under 24 hours. Consumer Cellular integrates AI-assisted troubleshooting via a chatbot within the app, potentially resolving 70% of login issues. Future trends include enhanced security, like mandatory 2FA and biometric logins, but may increase complexity. Consumer Cellular plans a unified ecosystem for cross-device syncing to reduce login issues by 2026. By 2027, 40% of mobile login errors may be mitigated by AI and predictive diagnostics.